how to change your SoFi password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your sofi.com, or you can get the application version of it. It's like either way, you'll need to make sure that you're logged into your account. You can tap on the menu bar on the top left corner here. You can tap on login right here, and then from there you'll actually be able to get into your login page. And after here, you can add in all of the credentials of your account, log into your account. Then after logging in, you'll need to tap on the profile avatar and then go to my profile on your SoFi account. And then from there you can tap on settings. And then from there you can tap on login and security, then select the password, right? So after selecting the password, you'll need to type your current password and then enter your new password and then tap on save. And after doing that, you'll now successfully be able to change your SoFi password. But in case if you have like completely forgotten the password of your account, what you can actually do is simply get into your SoFi login page just like this. Then from there you can see the option of reset password. Tap on reset password, and then from there you can actually add in the email address, then tap on continue. Then from there, here you'll actually be getting a reset link on your email inbox. Simply open that link, and then from there you can follow all of the on-screen prompt. And after following all of the on-screen prompt, you'll now successfully be able to reset the password of your account. So yeah, that's all.